Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Julius, aka Gold Collector on Instagram. I'm gonna do my Saturday market breakdown on gold and US30. So I'm gonna hop right to it. I actually did not trade a lot last week because I was in Vegas, but um, I like if it's just your first time tuning in. What I like to do is review my last week's trades and go from there. So off the bat, I took two losses over here, but I made it all back with this nice win over here. I caught like a little over 200 pips on this trade. It was like I closed like right around here, around like 180 pips. So super fire. I made back all my losses there. And I am trading back with Apex again. So my account's like at 50,600. So I'm up like around $600 right now. Yeah, guys. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and chart for y'all. Let me just fix it so I can see my favorite star. Gotta remove these charts. So right now, gold is doing lower lows and lower highs. If price does break above London high, we're going to see more bullish action. But I do feel like at market open on Sunday at 3 p.m., prices can shoot up really aggressively because price closed with a bullish candle. And so if you're new to trading gold, when market closes in a bullish way on Friday end of day at 2 p.m., then it's just going to continue. It's going to fly up. So I'm probably gonna look to take a buy and market open on Sunday tomorrow. So then look at this crazy pullback that gold did. It just it just melted over 800 pips. Fucking crazy. So what I like to do is I like to mark my new all-time highs because we're trading at all-time highs. Daily support and resistance right there. Daily resistance. If price does decide to come back down here, I want to know where it's going to end up. This is daily support, where price is currently at. This is daily support and resistance. And another strong daily support and resistance. And those are all the key levels we really need right now because we don't need too many key levels. Drop down to the 4 hour to find our 4 hour zones. I'm not really seeing any good 4 hour zones, to be honest. I'm just seeing more daily key levels. I will mark up this London low. Right now, I'm using the session indicators to indicate where the previous session lows and highs were. And it's been really, really changing the way I trade. Yeah, so what I'm expecting at Asian Open is price is gonna rally like crazy and it may not come back down. Probably not till New York session, but I'm assuming price is gonna break above, retest over here, and come back up, or it might even go all the way up to here. But we shall see, guys. Now I'm gonna go chart US30. And US30 on micros on futures is MYMH 2022. Also, gold on micro futures has changed to MGCJ 2026. Just so you guys know. If your candlesticks look broken, that's the reason why.